Except they stick to the window.
We're gonna have to put the screen in for a while. Last four.
Okay.
Oh, she just said something.
That's so cute.
Let's go about 2 feet away. I don't know if she likes it or if she's scared or... That's it.
This is great. Best cat toy ever.
So
really
hard to
cute when
focus,
both of them were watching at once.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, and she knocked it down.
So glad we got that new.
Oh.
I like the reflection. Did you post an event thing on Facebook
No.
yet? You could ask people to bring their video or their Nerfs.
That's so cute.
That's scary.
I don't know if this will show up in the camera, but this definitely does look like the darts are on the inside of the house.
Yeah,
This is weird.
Were you busy with music? School. The prom, I don't know, the prom was like Wonderland or Wonderland or the prom was at yeah. I helped clean up and we helped set up. I had some problems to see what it's like. It was amazing. Yeah, the teachers were doing they covered the walls with like plastic wrap, like color, so you could see it, and they had, you know, in Hollywood they have the stars with the movie star's name on it. They had every senior's name written in stars.
This is going on YouTube. You're aware of that, right?
I'm waiting for you to move the camera for this. It's amazing. Yeah.
There you go. You still kind of missed. You're like half on. Yeah, most of the way. There you go.
And don't video this.
But it's good for you to see, I'm sure.
It's not going on YouTube, Ken.
Go right ahead.
It was this close to your shoulder. You see that camera?
Okay.
It's like that. Okay.
We have evidence now. Not the camera. No, hit me.
Oh.
There we go. 1 hit. 2 hit. Red hit.
Blue hit.
Don't hit me there. Okay. Right in the arm. Right in the miss.
I can't aim when I'm laughing so
And don't
hard.
laugh.
That's it.
Then get some more off the ground.